Welcome to the Microsoft Ads Training Kit Chapter 2. Microsoft Ads Dashboard. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at Microsoft Ads Dashboard, step by step. So let's get started. So once you log into your Microsoft Ads account, this is how your dashboard will look like. First, you have an overview about performance with spend, clicks, conversions and impressions. Then we have this line graph. When you hover over to these points, you can see the spend with clicks. Then below we have recommendations. From here you can import campaigns from Facebook ads. After that, we have a list of all your campaigns with name, spend, clicks and impressions. Below that, we have top changes for campaigns. Then we have keyword stats, then what people searched section to add them or exclude. Below we have device-wise stats for clicks, impressions and spend. Next we have competitions and how they are performing. You can go to competition tab from that button. On left we have all these options which you can collapse from here. Click on it and they will disappear. Click back to expand it. Here we also have a list of all the campaigns with their statuses paused or enabled. Then we have more options like overview and all these options. On top, we have import, merchant center, reports, tools, help, notifications. So this is how the Microsoft Ads dashboard will look like. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 3. Campaign Home Overview. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at campaign homepage, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.